So, dude, why does this happen, do you think?
I don't know! Seriously, it's a pain in the ass!
I know, right? It's just like, the fuck? This is the second fire alarm that we've had this week.
Hey, the good thing is we missed on DTA, eh?
Well, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. This is what happens when there's a fire alarm at school.
What the hell?
This is the second time that this has happened this week.
I mean, why? See, it's the second time per day. What, we're gonna have another one tomorrow?
I kinda hope.
I hope not.
Huh? How do you feel about this? Do you want me to blur out your face? Because I can do that. Nick, imagine if that was just an advertisement for lip sync.
It probably was.
Wait, why is there a pan there?
I don't know.
It's like for leakage. That's fucking amazing.